Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the controller reliably powered. Use fresh AA batteries or a charged pack. Once powered, connect a known good USB cable to the controller and console to force a wired sync and trigger firmware checks. Make sure the console is on and signed in, then press and hold the controller Xbox button until the ring or logo lights. Doing this resets the radio step by step, so you can confirm whether wireless or power is causing the failure. Once wired connection confirms power, try repairing wirelessly. First, press the console pair button, then press and hold the controller pair button until both flash and connect. Act within 20 seconds. If that fails, use the Xbox Accessories app while wired to check and install any firmware updates, because outdated firmware often breaks wireless. Also, minimize interference. Move the console and controller 1 to 2 meters from Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and metal surfaces so the radio signal can lock in cleanly. You finish by isolating the fault. Test a different controller and a different USB cable to see whether the issue is the controller, cable, or console. If problems persist, perform a hard reboot of the Xbox. Hold the power button 10 seconds, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart and attempt pairing again. Make sure to try syncing the controller to another Xbox or a compatible PC. If it fails elsewhere, you likely have a faulty controller and should pursue repair or replacement. Otherwise, focus troubleshooting on the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.